Today we're going to be diving into a product that claims to be a solution for pretty sticky situations. If you have really tough, sticky situations or residue, then this video is for you. We're going to be testing the Goo Gone Adhesive Remover. It removes all sorts of goo, gum residue, grease, absolutely any annoying sticker mess. It does come in different packaging, so you can get this for your kitchen, for your car, or just as a general cleaning formula. It works on absolutely every surface from rubber to glass, even metal. Stick around as we test this project and see if it can handle the job. What's good, everybody? I'm going to show you today this product here and if it's good or not. Goo Gone. So if you have very, very tough adhesive that just won't come off, as you can see here, we put some carbon fiber on here. We're going to spray this all across and we're going to see how easy this comes off. Now, in terms of directions, I think we just spray it. It smells so nice. It smells like really nice. Well, it doesn't really say anything, so we're going to leave this on for maybe like 3 minutes. I usually leave these types of products for 5, but 2 minutes, and we're gonna see what we get. All right, so I'm just gonna start rubbing this, and it's coming off. And I'm not really pressing it that hard, but I am just kind of removing it. And yeah, there it is. Not only that, it almost like refinishes it, but we'll see if it keeps the luster and the gloss maybe in like an hour or not. Because you can see how shiny it is here. But over here, it's still dull because the glue is still there and here. So we're gonna see if we can remove all of this and if the shine and the sheen lasts. Now right here, you guys can see there's another big adhesive sticker. This was from a GPS mount. So we're gonna spray this and we're gonna see if we can remove this as well. Not really driving, guys, so don't worry. Oh my God, this comes off right away. Holy crap, right away. It just dissolved it. All right, so this part looks pretty nice and clean. I can still see I've missed some spots here, but it did remove I guess the first few layers of the adhesive quite nicely. The luster is back. It's nice and smooth because this is a wood finish. So here, let's do this. Still a little bit of carbon here. All right, now we're gonna spray this. I think for best results, you do want to leave this for a few minutes. So let's go and spray this kind of like around and try and clean other things here. Wow, that's... Oh wow, this is... So this isn't even adhesive and it's still removing it. This is like a layer of some sort of a coating. Wow, this stuff is really strong. So be careful, because you may unintentionally remove some paint. So right here, these little white spots, this is also adhesive because somebody broke the window, so I had to just kind of put something on here. But let's go and spray this and see how this comes up. This is rubber, and this is, I don't know, vinyl or aluminum or something. So let's see how well this does. And we're gonna leave this on for a little bit. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes. Let's give it a go. This is thick adhesive. Look at that. Removed it. Just try it on the rubber. Removes it off the rubber. No problemo. Very nice. Wow. This stuff is amazing. So here's a little bit of, see? It's removing some of the paint or something, but it's definitely working on the adhesive. So perfect. So next we're going to be cleaning the screw wrench. We sprayed on a little bit of solution and we're going to be applying the paper towel to remove it. And as you can see that the mess on the wrench is completely gone and it's become almost like new again. So in the few tests that I've done, I can pretty much recommend this product. I have used many different types of cleaners, including vinegar, baking soda, and the mess has definitely not come off not as efficiently as the Goo Gone. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.